What's up? Do you know what I make today?
Paper donut?
No, it's a paper ninja star.
No, it's not. Look, let me just have a bite.
No, I'll show you. First you do like this.
What?
Then you do like this.
What?
Then you do like this. And almost done. Here you go. Ninja star.
Oh, it looks so cool. It's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bladed ninja star.
Yeah, in the last video we did 4. See, it's doubled. So, let's make it.
Yes.
Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Muaz from Sibling World. Today we are making an origami ninja star. But this ninja star is different. It will transform into a ninja star. So we need a paper that measures 9 centimeter and 9 centimeter. And we need 8 papers. You could make 2 different colors or you can make one same colors. So let's begin. First, you have to fold like this carefully. Okay. Then you have to do the opposite side and fold it. Then you have to fold in half. For that, you have to fold this corner on this line right here, like this. Just like an airplane you'd have made. Same thing on this side. Then you fold it like this. So right now this could be a difficult part or easy for you. Actually it's mostly easy. So what you have to do is push it. Okay, you know it bounces off like this, so you have to push it all the way and then fold it like this. See? So I'll show you again. So first you have to do like this. Okay. Okay, then you do the opposite side. You can see an X line right here. New, like that. Then you fold in half. Okay. Then you need this corner all the way right here. Like this. Then you fold it. Then you push this thing all the way inside. Here you go. Same thing. So you have to repeat the same steps with all the rest of the 6 papers. So now, first you have one paper. You could choose any color to start with. Then you do like this. Okay. First you fold it like this. This is the important step though. If you don't do this, it'll mess up your ninja star. Like this. Then inside this area right here, you put it right here and then right here, like this. Okay, then you take another color or same paper if you have. Put this side right here between these two and then do like this. and then you do like this, then you do like this. After that, you put it inside, and then yeah, so you have to repeat the same step until at the end. So you're almost finished. Okay. And you do put it right here. So the end part might be tricky because there's already one thing right here that's bothering. So you do the same step still, except you put this side in this little corner pocket right here, this pocket, yeah. And then you do like this. Okay, almost done. Okay. Now I'll show you the transformation. And here you go. A perfect ninja star that transforms